Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and beginners. Ready to target those abs and strengthen your core without any equipment and in just 10 minutes? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we've got an exciting workout routine lined up that's perfect for beginners. But before we dive in, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss a workout with us. So, are you up for the challenge? 1. Warm-up. Abdominal stretches. Our warm-up will begin with a set of abdominal stretches, focusing on loosening up your core. These stretches not only prepare your muscles, but also enhance flexibility and reduce the risk of injury during the workout. 2. Basic crunches, core activation. Basic crunches are an ideal starting point for core activation. Concentrating on the upper abs, this exercise helps build core strength while improving your ability to perform more advanced movements. 3. Leg raises. Lower ab focus. Lower ab muscles can be particularly challenging to target, but leg raises are here to help. This exercise zones in on the lower abs, contributing to a well-rounded core routine. Strong lower abs are essential for both appearance and functional fitness. 4. Bicycle crunches, full core engagement. Bicycle crunches engage your entire core. As you twist and crunch, you'll target both the upper and lower abdominal muscles, as well as the obliques. This comprehensive movement not only strengthens your core, but also enhances your ability to perform rotational actions. 5. Planks, core endurance. Planks are an exceptional way to build core endurance. The exercise activates multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the transverse abdominis, obliques, and rectus abdominis. This is key to maintaining proper posture and preventing lower back pain. 6. Side planks, oblique focus. Side planks focus on the oblique muscles, the muscles along the sides of your core. This 1-minute exercise will have you feeling the burn, and you'll be on your way to a more defined and balanced midsection. 7. Russian twists, core twisting challenge. Russian twists are a fantastic exercise to challenge your core's twisting capabilities. The rotational movement targets the obliques and rectus abdominis, making it a powerful addition to any core workout. 8. Superman exercise, back and core strengthening. Post. To maintain a well-balanced core will include the Superman exercise. It engages not only the core, but also the lower back muscles, promoting overall spinal health and balance. This exercise can alleviate lower back pain and improve your posture. 9. Knee to elbow planks, total core challenge. Back to planks, but this time with a twist. Knee to elbow planks are a total core challenge, engaging your entire core, including the obliques and lower abs. This dynamic exercise enhances your core's functional strength, making everyday movements more manageable. 10. Cool down, stretch and breathe. As we wind down, it's essential to cool down with a set of stretches. This not only promotes muscle recovery, but also enhances flexibility, preventing post-workout muscle tension and soreness. Proper stretching after your workout contributes to long-term progress. Conclusion, that's a wrap, folks. Our 10-minute beginner abs workout at home is complete. It's amazing how much you can achieve in just a short time. By incorporating these routines into your daily schedule, you'll pave the way for a stronger and healthier core. If you enjoyed this workout, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more quick and effective workout routines, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more. Remember, every minute counts on your path to a healthier you. If you're eager to discover the essential morning exercises that can kickstart your day right from the comfort of your bed, then you're in for a treat. Don't hesitate. Watch the video playing on your screen now and learn how to make your mornings more energized and productive. Keep challenging yourself, and we'll see you in the next session. Stay fit and stay fabulous.